Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar. Welcome to our online classes of Greenfield School and College. Dear students, 11 English version, how are you? I hope you are well and fine today. Shorit Bishwas and Anika, how are you? This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Okay, my previous lecture 4 was 5 stages of prophase 1 of meiosis, and 5 stages was leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin and diakinesis. Okay, my previous lecture was leptotin, zygotin and pachytin. Today we will start the stage nong 4, 4 nong stage, that is diplotin. 4 stage name is diplotin. Okay, here you can see, if we draw the figure of diplotin stage, we can see clear nuclear membrane. Here clear nuclear membrane and the chromosome. Chromatid, here centromere and chromatid and another centromere, overlapping. Okay, chromatid, overlapping. Okay, and nucleolus is starting to disappear. Nucleolus. Okay, nucleolus. So diplotin, diplotin stage. So you can find the continuous contraction in this phase. The chromosome become more thick and short. Repulsion between the chromosome of bivalent. Okay, bivalent starts. The tendency of the chromosome to migrate to the opposite pole. Here one pole and another pole. Okay, opposite pole but obstructed at the points of chiasma. Here you can say X-like structure. X-like structure known as chiasma. This repulsion starts at different place simultaneously. Generally it starts vigorously between the centromere. Okay, between the centromere. As a result of repulsion, loop is formed between the chiasma. Here you can see the loop formation. Okay, this place, this place loop formation. Generally chiasma become clearer and moves to the poles. Here chiasma you can see. As a result of repulsion, loop is formed between the chiasma. Generally chiasma become clearer and move to the poles. This movement of chiasma towards the pole is known as terminalization. Okay, this is known as terminalization. Okay, and nucleolus disappeared in diplotin phase. Then number 5, substages of number 5 is diakinesis. Diakinesis. Okay, diakinesis figure is cell wall, and here nuclear membrane disappear. So you draw the figure like that. Nuclear membrane, almost invisible nuclear membrane. This is, and chromatid here, and this is like almost that, and here centromere chromatid, one is, and here chromatid, here, and this is the portion, and black, this is black portion and this is black portion. Okay, I think you are clear. Okay, almost invisible nuclear membrane. This is invisible nuclear membrane and exchange of the part of chromatid. Okay, black color get red portion and red color get black portion. Okay, black, red. This is known as diakinesis. Diakinesis. Last substages of prophase 1 of meiosis. This is known as diakinesis. In diakinesis stage, it is very difficult to separate the end of the diplotin and the diakinesis. Okay, mostly they are comparatively mostly same. The chromosome become further thickened and short. This is the common features of 5 substages. Chromosome becomes further thickened and short. Terminalization of chiasma towards the pole is still on. Okay, terminalization of chiasma. Chromatid are not visible as each chromosome of bivalent is covered together due to deposition. Okay, the bivalents move towards the periphery from the center of nucleus. Nucleolus disappeared. Here no nucleolus you can see. Okay, nucleolus disappear and the nuclear membrane disintegrates and spindle apparatus is formed. Okay, so these are the stages of 5 substages of prophase 1 of meiosis. Okay, so stages are leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, and today diplotin diakinesis. So it is clear. Okay, then meiosis 2, like as mitosis, cell division. Meiosis 2 like as mitosis, cell division. Then go to characteristics of meiosis. Characteristics of meiosis. Characteristics of meiosis. Meiosis. This is the 2-noun question. Okay, characteristics of meiosis. Meiosis takes place in gamete, mother cell, or diploid organism. Okay. Synapsis takes place between 2 homologous chromosomes. 2 homologous chromosome means one set from mother and one set from father. You know what is homologous chromosome. Number 3, exchange of genes take place between the non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome by the chiasmata formation and subsequence that known as crossing over. This is known as crossing over because it happens in 2 chromatid of homologous chromosome and non-sister chromatid. Okay, 2 black color chromatid known as sister, 2 red color chromatid known as sister, but 1 red and 1 black is known as non-sister chromatid. The meiosis is a complex, long-drawn process and subdivided into 5 stages. In meiosis, chromosome divided once and nucleus divided twice. Cytokinesis takes place after meiosis 2. Okay, first one meiosis 1 and second occurs meiosis 2, then occurs cytokinesis. New characteristics appear in the nucleus. 4 haploid cells are produced from a diploid cell. Then go to significance of meiosis. Significance of meiosis. Significance of meiosis. First one, sexual reproduction. Okay, you know meiosis takes in all the organism which produce sexually. Reproductive cell or gamete are produced by meiosis. A set of chromosome haploid is present in each of the gamete respectively of male or female. The male and female gametes are fused together during fertilization. Due to fusion of gametes during fertilization, a zygote is formed. You know zygote is always diploid form. Two set of chromosome diploid condition twice are present. The gametes chromosome number reduce to half of the reproductive mother cell. Okay, due to meiosis cell division. Thus, the chromosome numbers of sexually produced offspring possess the same chromosome number of parent. Number 2, maintenance of chromosome number. Okay, it is possible to maintain the constant chromosome number due to this process of meiosis. If there was no meiotic cell division in haploid plant zygote and in diploid plant gamete mother cell, the number of chromosome would have increases to twice, 4 times, 8 times, and number of excessive generation. Okay, successive generation. This would have caused a radical change in the living world. Okay, resulting to a total destruction of living being. Then go to genetic variation. You know the crossing over is occurs in meiosis cell division. So genetic variation is present. There are no two sexually reproduced species which are of exactly of same character except identical twin. Okay, twin. This can be revealed from the 500 score of human being. Even being the same species, none of them resemble to each other. Number 4, maintain the individuality of species. Constant control of the chromosome number maintained in respective species, the individually is being maintained in their successive generation. Evolution. Okay, evolution is the main branch of biology. You know the evolution, the interchange between the segments of two non-sister chromatid of a pair of homologous chromosome during the process of meiosis bring variation and variation in gene composition. This brings the continuous variation leading to the evolution. Okay, then difference between mitosis and meiosis. Okay, difference between mitosis and meiosis. Another question is 2 or 4. Difference between mitosis and meiosis. Here, in case of mitosis cell division, you can say mitosis occurs in somatic cell and meiosis occurs in gametic cell. Okay, and mitosis one cell produce 2, and in case of meiosis division one cell produce 4. And here in mitosis cell division chromosome number is constant. Okay, here 16. So one mother cell produce 2 daughter cell and chromosome number is instant. Okay, but in meiosis division here chromosome number in mother cell is 16. So here produce 4 daughter cell and chromosome number becomes half in meiosis cell division. You can see that. Okay, and in mitosis cell division here nucleus and cytoplasm divide once, but in meiosis division nucleus divide twice but chromosome divides once. So the number of chromosome becomes half. Okay, in daughter cell. Then crossing over. In mitosis cell division there is no crossing over. So you cannot see genetic variation. Okay, but in meiosis division, crossing over is happened and you can see the variation. In evolution, mitosis have no significant, okay, no significant in variation or evolution, but in variation in a species and evolution, meiosis play a great role. Okay, then go to crossing over. Crossing over. Okay, non-sister chromatid, exchange of chromosome part or chromatid, exchange in chromosome part or chromatid in non-sister chromatid in take place in meiosis cell division, that is known as crossing over. Okay, first you can see here two homologous chromosome, one is black and one is red. Then you can see they are divide, one centomere, but chromatid is in phone number, phone number chromatid. There is 1 centomere content 4 chromatid. Okay, this is the stage of zygotin. Okay, this is leptotin, zygotin or pakitin. Then they are here, this one and this. Then the chromatid here take place like as your pakitin stage, like as your pakitin stage. This is here chiasma formed and centomere also present here. Centomere, this is the centomere and 4 chromatid. 4 chromatid, 1, 2, 3 and 4. They fuse together and this breakdown by the endonuclease enzyme. Okay, by the help of endonuclease enzyme and crossing over. Okay, crossing over take place and ultimately you can see the, and here the homologous chromosome also present, and this portion 2 chromatid 4 chromatid, okay, centomere, and here black chromatid part. Okay, so you can see they exchange their some portion, okay, some portion of chromatid here. This process is known as crossing over. Okay, for the reason of crossing over, you can see the variation of another species, even their father and mother are same, but their child is something character loss. Okay, you can see for this the reason of crossing over. So this is the figure of crossing over. This is very important. What is crossing over and mechanism of crossing over. Mechanism of crossing over is very important and significance of crossing over. Okay, definition, mechanism and significance. You can learn these 3 terms from crossing over. Significance, crossing over is the main reason of variation of same species. Okay, you can see, and same evolution. In evolution, crossing over is play a great role. Okay, you can see that. So that's all, and I have completed my syllabus. Today's lecture 5. That's all. See you later. Allah Hafiz. Any question, please ask me in my messenger. Okay. Next 13 February your second monthly test will be started. So I hope you and well and fine this exam. That's all. Allah Hafiz.